The fountain of youth, a mythical source of water that grants eternal life and everlasting youth. It's a concept that has captivated humanity for centuries. From ancient alchemists to modern scientists, the quest for longevity has been relentless. We long for a way to slow down or even reverse the aging process. The idea of turning back the clock is a dream shared by many. What if I told you that the key to unlocking this age-old dream might lie within us, hidden in the intricate workings of our own genes? Our DNA holds secrets that we are only beginning to understand. For years, we believed that our genetic code was set in stone, a blueprint passed down from generation to generation, with little room for change. It was thought to be immutable. But now, the emerging field of epigenetics is challenging this very notion. This groundbreaking science is revealing that our genes are more malleable than we ever imagined. It suggests that we have a surprising degree of control over how our genes express themselves, potentially influencing not just our health, but also our lifespan. This control could be the key to a longer, healthier life. Imagine the possibilities. Could we one day reprogram our genes to slow down aging, fight off disease, and live longer, healthier lives? The implications are profound. The science is still young, but the potential is nothing short of revolutionary. As we continue to explore and understand our genetic code, who knows what incredible advancements await us in the future? To understand the power of epigenetics, let's use a simple analogy. Think of your DNA as a comprehensive instruction manual, a vast library of genes containing the blueprint for building and running your body. Now, imagine that each page in this manual represents a specific gene. Epigenetics, in this analogy, are like a series of sticky notes placed on these pages. These notes don't change the underlying text of the genes themselves, but they can dictate which genes get read and activated and which ones remain silent. In essence, they control how the genetic blueprint is interpreted and used by your cells. Lifestyle choices, environmental factors, and even our thoughts and emotions can all influence these epigenetic sticky notes. This means that we have a remarkable ability to influence how our genes behave, for better or for worse. One of the key mechanisms behind epigenetic changes is DNA methylation. Think of it as a tiny chemical switch that can turn genes on or off. When a gene is methylated, it's like placing a "do not read" sticky note on that page of the instruction manual. The gene is still there, but its instructions are essentially ignored by the cell. This methylation process is influenced by a myriad of factors, including our diet, exposure to toxins, stress levels, and even how much we exercise. By understanding how these lifestyle factors influence methylation, we can start to make informed choices that promote healthy gene expression and potentially slow down the aging process. What's even more fascinating is that these epigenetic changes aren't always temporary. While we inherit our DNA sequence from our parents, we also inherit a set of epigenetic markers that can influence how those genes are expressed. This means that our lifestyle choices today could have a ripple effect, impacting the health and longevity of not just ourselves, but also our children and even grandchildren. For example, studies have shown that mothers who experience high levels of stress during pregnancy can pass on altered epigenetic markers to their children, potentially increasing their risk of developing anxiety and mood disorders later in life. This highlights the profound interconnectedness between our environment, our genes, and the health of future generations. Section 5. Scientific Breakthroughs. From Yamanaka Factors to Young Blood. The field of epigenetics is still relatively young, but scientists are making exciting discoveries all the time. This area of study focuses on how genes are turned on or off without changing the underlying DNA sequence. One groundbreaking study involved the discovery of Yamanaka Factors, a set of 4 proteins that can essentially reprogram adult cells back into an embryonic-like state. These proteins have revolutionized our understanding of cellular plasticity. This breakthrough has huge implications for regenerative medicine and could one day allow us to repair or even replace damaged tissues and organs. Imagine a future where damaged hearts or livers could be healed with a simple treatment. Another intriguing area of research is parabiosis, a process where the circulatory systems of 2 living animals are connected. This method has been used to study the effects of young blood on aging. Studies have shown that when an older mouse is parabiotically paired with a younger mouse, it experiences a remarkable rejuvenation, with improvements in muscle strength, cognitive function, and even hair growth. These findings are both fascinating and promising. While more research is needed, these findings suggest that factors present in young blood could hold the key to reversing some of the effects of aging. The potential applications for human health and longevity are immense, sparking hope and excitement in the scientific community. Section 6. Hacking your genes. Lifestyle changes for a longer life. While the idea of gene editing and designer therapies may seem like science fiction, the truth is that we can start influencing our gene expression today through simple lifestyle changes. These changes can have profound effects on our health and longevity, making us feel better and live longer. Here are a few key areas to focus on to make a significant impact on your genetic health and overall well-being. Diet. A diet rich in fruits, vegetables, and whole grains provides the essential nutrients needed for healthy methylation patterns. These foods are packed with vitamins, minerals, and fiber that support our body's natural processes. Foods high in antioxidants like berries and green tea can also help protect our DNA from damage. Antioxidants neutralize harmful free radicals, reducing oxidative stress and promoting cellular health. Exercise. Regular physical activity has been shown to positively influence gene expression, reducing the risk of chronic diseases and promoting longevity. Whether it's jogging, yoga, or a gym workout, staying active is key. Sleep. Getting enough sleep is crucial for cellular repair and rejuvenation. During sleep, our body undergoes essential maintenance processes that are vital for health. Aim for 7 to 8 hours of quality sleep each night to ensure your body has enough time to recover and regenerate. Stress management. Chronic stress can wreak havoc on our epigenetic profile. It can lead to various health issues, including mental health disorders and weakened immune function. Find healthy ways to manage stress, such as meditation, yoga, or spending time in nature. These activities can help calm the mind and reduce stress levels. Toxin avoidance. Limit exposure to environmental toxins, such as pesticides, air pollution, and cigarette smoke, which can damage DNA and negatively impact gene expression. Opt for organic products and clean air environments whenever possible. Section 7. The future of youth epigenetic therapies and beyond. The field of epigenetics holds immense promise for the future of medicine. Scientists are actively developing epigenetic therapies that could one day treat a wide range of diseases, from cancer and Alzheimer's to autoimmune disorders and even aging itself. Imagine a future where we can use gene editing technologies like CRISPR to correct faulty genes or even introduce beneficial epigenetic modifications. While there are ethical considerations to address, the potential benefits are vast and could revolutionize healthcare as we know it. Section 8. The power is within you. The emerging science of epigenetics is both empowering and awe-inspiring. It tells us that we are not simply passive bystanders to our genetic inheritance. We have a remarkable ability to influence how our genes behave through the choices we make every single day. By adopting a healthy lifestyle, managing stress, and making conscious decisions about our environment, we can positively influence our gene expression and potentially pave the way for a longer, healthier, and more vibrant life. The fountain of youth may not be a mythical spring, but rather a state of being, attainable through the power of epigenetics.